We're at the Gartner Data and Analytics Summit in Orlando. I'm stopping by the Pyramid booth because I actually saw Joe give a really awesome talk today. He was talking about going from Gen AI to Gen BI. Tell us more, like what is Gen BI and what is Pyramid doing?
The concept of Gen BI really came from the pervasive nature that Gen AI needs to play in the entire data factory. It's not just a bolt-on, it should be a part of all aspects of analytics, from data prep to the massaging, all the way to the end user who simply has follow-on questions to analysis that an author may have created for them, right? We're empowering those end users at every level to be more efficient with how they're leveraging analytics today.
All right, well, you showed a really cool demo, so I want to show my audience a little bit. Can you do a quick demo for us here?
Yeah, absolutely. So one of the things we want to start with is simply by asking a question. Listen, I want to build a dashboard slide with a diverse set of 6 visuals related to sales performance, cover lots of metrics, lots of attributes, and I want to slice the data using years.
I'm processing your request. Coming right up.
The conversational nature of Gen BI is all about what do I want to see, what do I want to build, and simply being able to ask that.
So it's doing a lot of calculations on the back end, trying to first understand what it is you want, make sense of it, and then give you some sort of visuals that actually look good and are answering some of your questions.
Absolutely.
This dashboard provides a comprehensive analysis of sales performance across various metrics and attributes with the ability to slice data by year.
Whoa, that looks really cool.
Yeah, so as you can see here, it took my very generic response and said, here are all the things that you would likely need to know about your sales pipeline. This is going to save me a ton of time. There's a ton of flexibility. If I were to run this, you're going to see that this is a full-blown dashboard. I can change by my different years. And most importantly, I can ask additional questions of my data. So for this chart down here in particular, I can actually ask secondary questions like, show me what's driving the difference between California and Texas.
Getting something together now.
So you don't have to tell it which charts you want. You don't have to say, here's exactly how you name this metric. It's just smart enough to know these things.
So you can see what I'm getting here is actually a response back, really explaining me the key drivers and differentiators from the simple request that I had.
That's amazing because this is not a picture. This is an actual dashboard. I saw you filtered, everything was moving around. And I think that's what makes it powerful. Like, people can actually use it now.
Correct. Yeah, that's absolutely right. I think what's really important to understand is, again, Gen BI is all about the pervasiveness across the entire platform, across all the different types of users. I mentioned in my session, it's not just a bolt-on to your analytics strategy. It should be throughout the entire thing. And that's really what Pyramid is promoting, and that's how we see the future.
Amazing. Well, Joe, thank you so much for chatting with me. This is Dedicated at Gartner.